beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady Joe. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling people. Today's topic na about stainless Amadi. I know say stainless. Now again, when I like for social media, I dey always dey see her, So she can't talk say she get belle, so everybody will come dey happy for her. So everybody can't really happy. We can't say as stainless get belle now, she get belle for Igbo. She can't dey publish her belle self. So that time the belle never come out, So we can't dey read the happy for her, But anytime when she dey do live video, she dey always dey smoke. And I know say she not dey use that Igbo to dey play at all. She dey always dey smoke Igbo, So I can't dey surprise. Say a woman wey get belle, abi she dey joke. Now wetin maybe I can't even dey reason. So I can't see say not be joke. She dey come dey read the smoke am during the belle. I say person wey get belle, because I just want to use her own to advise people. I can say person wey get belle go dey do this kind thing, go dey smoke join am. I can't dey wonder. I can't dey surprise. So I can't say maybe they do her anything. Like as me be now. If I get belle, I know they feel even drink even wine safe. It get the way they do me. Talk less of Igbo. God forbid, but if I never even smoke cigar, talk less of Igbo. Not that she always dey smoke that thing. So I can't dey shock when I can't see say the belle come out. I say, when she can't talk and say the belle don comot o, the thing can't shocktalize me. Say the belle not stay. I can't dey wonder say you see that is why Oyibo wey dey tell person say no smoke and no drink. If you get belle, they not just carry the talk and they not they lie. You understand? And really, good make person they smoke or they drink when they get belle. I don't really know why I won't come out, but for me, I believe say smoking not still really good for pregnancy. You understand? So I just want to use our own to advise our people. I beg you will be say you dey smoke, you dey drink. If you get belle, I beg, no smoke again. No smoke again. Smoke is not good. It's not good. You understand? We say, I know say some people go say, why Lady J dey talk like this? Yeah, it's not really good. You understand? Who know what it cost less? So nobody know. Nobody know because she really dey smoke during that belle for live video. Where, So and the belle never even big like that. So you're not even supposed. Never really strong like say all the show say na baby. Now all those kind of things. You never see even good. Maybe they even they high or they drink join am. You understand? So some people they really use their life till they play where of which is not good. It's not good. You understand? If you get belle, don't do am. So you go to smoke again. You go to drink. No. Don't do am again. It's not good. It not tell good of you. It not tell say you dey good. You understand? It's not good. I beg my darling people. May you use this stainless so to learn. Stop drinking and smoking when you get belle. Stop am. It not make you a big girl. It not make you say it can't make you be smart girl. No. You understand? So I don't know what people see for smoking, Maybe the way me they look am o. I mean, I don't really know why people go just sit down and say that to come the smoke go come just dey their eye. It's not good. Really, it's not good at all. So I beg anybody who see this video, help me share am so that maybe if you get friend where they do am, you see send on this video say make it listen. You understand? How can a woman go even the smoke safe? What do you see for smoking? It's not that good. It's not that good of you. Really. It's not that good of you at all. Pikin where God give you now you can't use because of your smoking habit to remove am. Or your drinking habit. You can't use, you can't remove them. Who does that? What you can't tell God? You say now because of smoking, drinking, I make this thing come out. Eh? It's not good. Who will not they do them again? In case you get any friend where they do them, tell them may stop them. Very, very bad. Very, when you say something is bad, is really bad. Very, very bad. It's not good. When I not they drink again, when I not they smoke again when you get belly. Stop it. Not that good. Not that good of you. You understand? If they tell you something more than see the year. This is our women of nowadays. I don't just understand it. What the best to do sometimes? You know, go see stop them. Go see stop them. Do you understand? Stop smoking. Stop drinking. Not even when you get belly. If you not get belly, it's a very different thing. But if you get belly, my dear, stop them. Hey, don't let anybody deceive you. Say they good, but you good at one. No, it's not good at all. I know they advise person make person smoke or drink. I know they advise anybody. On a very, very bad thing when you get belly, especially when you even when you not get belly, it no still good. Talk close to say when doctor can't tell you say you get belly, you can't go to do them. Very, very bad. I don't want to just bad pass. You understand? So our women, I beg, wanna learn from this one. Wanna learn. Stop smoking. You know the funny part, smoke not they even give anything for body. You know they give any bad, any good thing for body. It go even they cause more damage to your own life. Maybe you will get 100 years you want to stay this world now. Because of those smoking, if even they limit the years where you will stay, yeah. Yes. And you know the funny part, doctor go even tell some people say, to smoke, you no good though. You go say, who be doctor we want tell her. Now doctor want tell me wetin I go do. Yeah. Doctor first tell you wetin you go do, my dear. So maybe we change for our bad habits. It not tell good of us. We change. If you see who see the advice, you see take. Not they smoke again. Not they drink again. Drinking is not good. Smoking is not good. Especially when you get belly. Now that one can just worse pass. It's not good at all, my darling people. I beg my ogbonge people, help me to share the video. So anything you think about the video, you can leave your comments for the comment section. Please, my darling people, smoking, drinking is not good. We have to stop it. Thank you. Bye.